Namaskar. In this video I will discuss about how the practice is given. The instructions in Yoga Nidra should be given at a speed that keeps the mind moving fast, but allows it to understand and carry out each instruction as it is being given. Speed will vary according to the stage of practice as well as the student's state of mind. The rotation of consciousness and rapid images are usually very quick. The mind should not stay on any one point for a long time. Keep on jumping from point to point. Don't allow any time for concentration or psychic images will come. Yoga Nidra is not concentration. The images for visualization, like mango tree, rose flower, boat on a river, sandy beach and so on, should be precise and in rapid succession. When you give extended visualizations, such as walking in the park, golden egg, the story, etc., the images should be adjusted in such a way that they serve as stepping stones to further concentration practices later on. If you are teaching Yoga Nidra to children, just give them in a visualization distinct unassociated images in rapid succession, using numbers, colors, forms, scenes from nature, or something imaginative. Visualization ability is actually the ultimate point in Yoga Nidra, and the purpose here is to check one's perceptive capabilities. If the instructor says pink rose and you imagine how it looks, this means that your receptivity is keen. If he says pink rose and you try hard, but cannot picture it, this means you have not yet come to the point of receptivity. If he says pink rose and you see the rose as a slight interpsychic vision, then you have gone too deep and have passed beyond the state of receptivity. In visualization, rapid sequence images retain the receptive state most effectively. The practice of Yoga Nidra should be varied to suit the time available and the capacity of the students. It is more desirable to do this by adding or deleting whole parts, rather than by varying the speed at which the instructions are given. The practices that follow have been arranged to facilitate this, as well as provide a graded series of practices for each part of Yoga Nidra. A complete scheme of Yoga Nidra practices 1-5 is included in this section.